Right, firstly, I would like to thank you all for coming down today. I highly appreciate your efforts. Today, we're going to go down to capture the beast. Now, her eggs just hatched, so she's gonna be a bit volatile towards us. She's not gonna be happy that we're trespassing on her territory, okay? We're gonna go in, and I'm gonna jump on her back, and I'm gonna gain control over her. And you guys are gonna rush in, and I'll direct you from there what we're gonna do. Because it's highly dangerous dealing with a 10-foot crocodile.
Well, hold on there, hold on, sir. I want to say something, please.
Yes, Johnny.
You mentioned something about a crocodile a while ago.
Yes, a large croc, mate. Very dangerous. It's exciting stuff.
But you must hear us mad. What you talk about crocodile? And I go in at them territory. My you, listen, here, there is a thing called a food chain, see? Let me tell you a little something. Crocodile, nyam people. Crocodile with me, I up crocodile. You understand, Bridget? Somebody tell me say a cow me come here so fi catch. And you want to tell me about blue dog crocodile. You want to say map?
Yes, mate.
Because one day you go get bite. And when you catch bite and lose your leg, what you go do now? We go call you Stumpy. Saturday night me I link Julie. Sunday night me I link that Spanish chick there. And every other night me have a girl fi link. You think me have time to go up there so and catch there? You mad? People like you need to go read a book. Allow the animal them man. Want to do. Sure. Matter of fact, let me tell you something. You know see what I'm to the brother like when you Johnny Irving, him always a out animal and then bite him up and kill him. Come out of this rotted. Man, I have time for people like you. Go read that book, man. Sure.
I think that you'll find this Steve Irwin, mate, and he didn't die from a crocodile bite.
I think you'll find your mother did a ride me last night and she nearly catch dead. Oh.
Okay, you can't see me anymore. It is a beard.